origami cicada. And you need 1 square sheet of origami paper. Okay, so let's start by folding it in diagonally. Give it a crease. And now we're going to fold one flap up like that. Okay, and then we're going to fold the other flap up to that same edge. Now that we have our wings, we're going to fold one flap down, then give it a crease and fold the other one and make sure it's the same length. Now that we have our cicada wings, we're going to fold the first. We're going to fold the first flap down, and then the other flap down, but make sure it only comes to a certain point like that. And then voila, your cicada's finished. It's finished. Our cicada is finished. Thank you for watching.